Hey guys, Canelex here, and today I'm going to be releasing my newest Minecraft mod. It is the Fortnite compass mod, and what it does is it renders an HUD onto your screen in a Fortnite-esque style that basically shows the direction that you're facing. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the command to open the GUI/compass mod, and when we type that, we can see a lot of settings open up. The first thing we can do is we can enable or disable the mod by just clicking on the button here. Next, we can move around the position of the actual HUD by just clicking and dragging. And of course, if we want to reset it and put it back to where it was, we just click this button here. Next, we have edit layout. What this does is it basically lets us change the appearance of the compass itself. So we're able to cycle between the different modes of detail. Low being just northeast, southwest, medium being the intermediate angles as well, and then high being the whole spectrum with the angles as well. So now we can change the width, and what the width is it's like how soon will the numbers fade and how many of them fit. So you can play around with that and find a value that you like. We also have spacing, which is like the gap between each of the angles. And the lower the spacing, like the less, it'll slide every time you move your angle or your direction. It's kind of hard to explain, but just play around with these values until you find something that you like. Next, we have edit style. So basically on here, we're able to change the aesthetic of our compass. We're able to turn the background on and off like so. We're also able to turn on chroma if that's something that you're interested in. But yep, you can also turn on and off the shadow. I personally think it looks better with the shadow. But if you do turn off both of these, be warned, it may be very hard to see. So I recommend turning on at least one of the two, either the background or the shadow. So finally, we have the tints. The tints are just basically the color. We can change the marker tint, and the marker is basically this object up here. So if we slide along, rip voice, we can pick something here. We can also change the direction tint by just sliding along here and picking out a color that we like. And like so, we can do that. And of course, I made the mistake of turning both of these off. But yeah. Alright, so that's about it, guys, for the mod. If you want to download it, it's going to be in the description. 1.7.10, 1.8.9, and 1.9.4. As well as there will be a link to a tutorial how to install Forge and Forge mods, just in case you're new and you want to, start using mods. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace.